大集會嘅時間，咁大家落車嘅時候都睇到我哋眼前一亮啦，好多新嘅巴士，大家今日係盡情地喺今日享受一個好好嘅日子嚇。咁節目嘅第一項呢，我哋會邀請我哋嘅香港巴士迷會嘅主席李日新先生幫我哋致一個開幕詞。Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Hong Kong Bus Party. First of all, may I invite Mr. Lyndon Rees, our chairman of Hong Kong Transport Society, to say a few words to us. Mr. Rees.
Welcome to the, I think it's the 21st rally. 21st rally. We've been doing all these years, and the buses get better and better as the years go by.
主席咧，李醫生就話今年應該係我哋第21次嘅巴士大集會嘅，咁亦都係每年不停咁樣係改進。
But it's nice to see such a large crowd turning out every year. I think there's more this year than I've seen for a long time.
咁亦都好多謝各位會員出席同埋啲嘉賓啦嚇，咁亦都似乎咧係咁多年來咧最多人數參加嘅，亦都非常之多謝大家。
I suppose you're all excited by this new model, this two-axle ADL, which is a very nice-looking bus, but you'll have to see how it performs when William puts it on the Stanley route. What was that? I said we'll have to see how it performs when William puts it on the Stanley route.
咁而家係商業時間賣一告白先，咁我希望大家見到特別係呢架車啦，咁新嘅車咧就好唔同啦 ，ADL 400啦，係兩擔嘅車，亦都睇下到時咧阿鐘生擺咗去行赤柱線嘅時候就會睇下呢架車嘅表現如何啦。
But my first observation and only observation is that it's got 64 seats. Compared with the old cow there, which is normally on the Stanley route, which has got 86 seats.
咁佢話咧，但係個位數咧，呢個只係得64位啫，就比較咧以往咧嗰架 Dennis 咧就係86位嘅，咁爭咗一橛嘅。
So William, you better order a few more buses for Stanley.
咁所以咧就好嘅藉口同運輸署啊，都係再訂多幾架行到幾架車喺赤柱線度。
Anyway, on a more serious note, I'd like to thank Selwyn and Raymond and Danny and all the team for organising this excellent event.
咁主席都話咧，好多謝我哋執委會咧，就係安排呢個今日呢個週年大集會嘅項目㗎。
And to thank all the contributors for sending all these lovely buses here today.
咁當然最緊要咧，多謝我哋都冇用㗎，最緊要係多謝咧所有啲嘉賓贊助啲車輛俾我哋，無論係巴士公司啦，或者啲巴士供應商㗎。
So let's join in a round of applause for the organisers for having done a wonderful job.
咁佢多謝委員會咧係安排咗今日咁好嘅項目俾大家嘅，請大家鼓掌一下。多謝大家。